This video will show you the remote sales portal for a sales agent and the B2B portal. You'll see how to make an order in the B2B portal, edit the same order in the remote sales portal, edit the web page in Windows Live Writer, and the portal setup in NAV. The TRIMIT portals can be installed within a few hours and will then be working just like you see them in this video. The first part is the B2B portal. Here you see the login page for the B2B portal. I now log in as a B2B user. Up here you can see that the logged in user right now is Fashion Store UK. Change the screen to the NAV database, and here you can see that same customer in NAV. Change the screen back to the B2B portal, click on History, and here you can see the sales history for the Fashion Store UK. As an example, you can see the overdue amount here. Changing the screen to the NAV database, looking at the statistics for the same customer, you can see the same amount. Back to the history page, where it's also possible to see open documents, posted documents, and account statements. Here on the orders page, you can see that this customer has one order with the number 1000. Change it to NAV and you can see that same order here. To make an order, simply select in categories. Select the item, fill in the quantities, and click on Add to Order. Click in categories again, select the item, fill in the quantities, and click on Add to Order. Click View Order to see the entire order. Here you have all the order lines where it's possible to change quantities. Remember to update here if you do so. When you know the product numbers, you can add to the order up here. Enter the number and click on Add to Order. You can complete the order process and submit the order, but you can also save it for later. I'll do that by pressing Save and Exit. Now the list of orders opens, and the saved order is number 1001. There's also a submitted order with the number 1000. Change to the NAV database, and here you can see there's one quote and 21 sales orders. Click to open quote. Here you have the quote lines, just as they were made in the B2B shop. The next part is the remote sales portal for a sales agent. Here you see the login page for the remote sales portal. I now log in as a sales agent user. Here's the list of customers for the logged in user. Under My Account, you can see that the user is the same as John Roberts, a salesperson in the NAV database. Click on Orders. Here you can see that a customer has not been selected, so back to the Customers page. Click on the Fashion Store UK to select the customer. And the Orders page opens, and here you can see that the user is shopping at the Fashion Store UK. Notice that it's the same orders as in the B2B portal. Click on the pen to reopen the saved order 1001. To add another item, click in Categories. Click on the item, and here you have a configurable chair where it's possible to select options in drop-down menus. Chair type is Classic. Wood type is Oak. Surface treatment, Nature. Seat cover, Wooden seat. And the seat color is Natural. Quantity is 4. Click Add to Order. Here under Active Orders, the new line for the chair is now shown. Click on View Order. Click on Submit. And here you have the Submit page to verify all order information. It's possible to expand and collapse item details on the plus signs. Click on Submit to submit the order. Press OK to confirm that you wish to do so. Here you have the order confirmation page. The order has number 1001. Change to the NAV database. You now have 0 quotes and 22 sales orders. Here you have sales orders 1001 as it has been made in the portal. Here you have the configuration of the chair. And this was the basic ordering functionality of the B2B and the remote sales portal. The next part will show you how you can edit the text in the portals in Windows Live Writer. In the portals, there's a news page with a news list. There are currently 3 items in the list. Here is Windows Live Writer. First thing to do is to select the web block. The Sales Agent News is selected. To open an existing news item, click on Open, select the web block, and here you have 3 items from the portal news list. To make a new item, write the text here. To add a picture, click over here, select the picture, and click Install. Same procedure for another picture. Click on Publish to get it on the portal. Here's the news list in the portal. Click on the new item, and here you have the news item. And that's how easy it is to edit web pages. The next part shows you how the TRIMIT portals are set up and maintained from the NAV. Here you have the NAV. Click on TRIMIT Connect Portal, and here you have the menus for Connect Portal. First part is the XML ports. This is where a NAV developer can create and maintain the data exchange between the portal and the NAV database. Next is the user relationship management. This is where the relationship between the user on the portal and the NAV database is created. This user, B2B1, has relationship to customer, the Fashion Store UK, in the NAV database. The relationship can be made for all these types of records in NAV. This user, SA1, has a relationship to salesperson John Roberts. Next part is the categories. The categories are shown here in the portal. Under the category T-shirts, you have these 2 items. In NAV, the 2 items are shown here in the category of T-shirts. Adding a new line, you select the item 2100 T-shirt, and now that item is available in the shop. Often it's necessary to add many items at the same time, and this is handled in category management. Use the NAV filtering in the list up here. Down here you can see the categories that this item is already attached to. Click on the button here to add or remove all the items in the filtered list above to a category. Thank you for watching.